Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. This channel offers tips on life hacks, DIYs, and organization, and we hope that you can get something from us today. So today we are excited because we're going to offer tips on how to store your sandals. Sometimes they can be a little difficult to store, but we're going to show you a little hack that we use, that works for us, and we think you might be able to use it as well. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And if you see one thing that you like, thumbs up, subscribe below. And as always, we're going to get this ball rolling, and we are going to knock it out of the park. All right, my YouTube friends, as promised, this is one of the things that you will need in order to be able to organize your sandals. Sandals can be a little difficult to organize because they're somewhat flimsy, unlike heels and stilettos, as well as platform shoes and boots. Those are a little more easy to organize, but sandals can be a little difficult. However, I will be using this container here by Mainstay. For the most part, it is a closet organizer, and you use it vertically, but this time we're going to use it horizontally to store our shoes, and I'll show you that in a moment. Basically, you have the container that's sitting in there like this, and when you take it out, of course, you're gonna open it up, and it's going to, for the most part, it's going to open up like this, and this is where you will store your different items. Typically, people store shirts, blouses, pants, and things like that, but we're going to turn it horizontally, and we're going to use it for sandal. We're going to use it for sandal storage. So stay tuned while we do that, and so I have the items sitting horizontally, which is how I'm going to start storing the sandals. And I'm going to take my sandals and just basically place it inside of each area like this. So here's a pair of cool sandals that I love wearing. And I'm just going to take these sandals and I'm going to stick it in the container just like that. And I'm going to fill the rest of them up. You can probably I'm going to see if I can put 2 or more in each area, just to see how many I can get in there without it being stretching the material too much. And then I'm going to place it on a shelf in my closet. So once I'm done, I'll let you see the finished product. All right, my YouTube friends, so it worked out very well. I was able to get approximately 3 pairs of sandals in one section of the organizer, and therefore I was able to store much more than what I thought. And I have it sitting horizontally on this shoe shelf, and so the sandals, of course, you know, when you look on my other shelves, I have just, you know, shoes lined up alongside one another, but the sandals were taking up more space than what they really needed to take up, and I needed to keep them from toppling over, so this worked out perfectly. So yeah, there you go. A hack for a closet organizer can be used to organize your sandals. And I just pull out the ones that I want to wear for that day, and I just slip them back in their area. I hope you got something out of this video. If so, please like and subscribe, and leave your comments, concerns, and questions below. Have a great day.